Hey everyone, it's Monday, September 28th. Today, if you are at home, the first thing that you need to do is go and check in on campus. Then go and check your journal prompt for today. It should be right underneath this agenda slide. Then we're going to talk about the traditional plot outline. So you'll need to go over here to your links and click on traditional plot outline. Today we need to you get a video of me talking about the traditional plot outline. It should be mostly review, but write down anything new that you might think you will forget if you don't have it with you. Then I want you to think back to the story that you read on Friday. So on Friday, you guys read Man in the Well on Common Lit. If you haven't done that yet, you have to do that first. So think about the story Man in the Well, and then I want you to take your information that you got from the traditional outline, and I want you to put it onto this outline. It's going to make you make a copy first. So click on Make a Copy. And then up here where it says copy of, change that to your last name. Actually put in your last name there, not just last name. And then you have the notes up here, but what I want you to do is think back to the story, The Man in the Well, and in each of these boxes, I want you to type in a short summary of each part of the story so that we can kind of map out that story and see where each part of the story is. Then after you're finished with that, you can submit it into the Dropbox, whichever hour you are in, and then you are done for the day. This is due by midnight. If you have questions, please let me know. Have a great day.